Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a close look at the training day at Willy's Butte 5-pack, which is currently being found in Smyth's Toys Superstore in the United Kingdom. I'm not sure about places in the States, probably Walmart. This is the pack with the updated Sally variant. We also have a fabulous Lightning McQueen as well, which I believe is a variant, but I will check that one out in today's video. With two other McQueens, Saldos Amigos Ramon, we have Thailand Sarge there as well, and Smokey as well. We can see the updated card for the packaging here, which is really nice. We've got Cars 3 Lightning McQueen there in the background with Willy's Butte. We've got the cars, Willy's training day at Willy's Butte pack there. We got some other stuff. We've got the back of the package. We can see Smokey, Sally, McQueen, Saldos Amigos Ramon, and Sarge. So yep, those are the cars in this package here today. I'll be right back with this all out of the box for you guys. So yeah, here are all the 5 cars we get in the pack: Smokey, Sally, Fabulous Lightning McQueen, Saldos Amigos Ramon, and Sarge. So yeah, we have the ones in the 5-pack at the front here, and some other older releases also from Thailand in the back here. So yeah, the main one is going to be Sally, which has this updated, eyeliner around the eyes here, a new expression which looks way much better than previously. Let's move these guys out of the way. So yeah, you can see the Sally with the 5-pack variant here, which I did really want one open, so hence why I'm taking a close look at this one. It still is the incorrect mold, 301 PCE. Yep, still the same license plate. You can see that this is a Thailand release of Sally as well. And yeah, just the eyes are the biggest difference. I really do like the updated eyes, and also the headlights as well. You can see they are actually more clearer headlights compared to the regular release that we get, like the cheap version. So yeah, this 5-pack, if you want a more accurate Sally, I'd go for this one. But if you want a even more accurate Sally, I would go for this one here, which is a Sally with tattoo, which was released in 2017 from Toys R Us. We can see here different expression overall, and then we also have this Sally here in the background, which is made in Vietnam with the keychain. Really nice variant overall. I mean, very different blue color, but again, the headlights are still more accurate compared to, the regular Thailand Sally that we get as a single these days. And if you want, you can also get the metallic version if you really want that version of Sally. But yep, there is that one. We can see here, there is Sally. Going on to Smokey now. The one on the left is the one from the pack, and this is the one that you got in singles previously. It's been a while since we've got a Thailand Smokey. But yeah, looking at it, there isn't too many differences. Yeah, there's no differences really that I can see off the bat. Best dang garage in town. Maybe that is different. No, but it's still the same. Just looking at it, and here is the other side. And taking a close look at the 2 bases now. So yeah, the Smokey in the pack is pretty much the same as the one previously. And I think I just broke my light, so I'll be back in 2 seconds, guys. We are all back. The light still works, luckily. Didn't have to make this video over 2 days to fix the light. But yeah, going on to the fabulous Lightning McQueen. You can see this is the one from the 5-pack, and this is the one that you get as singles. This is actually the 2014 version with the base holes, which you can see here. Yep, going on the fronts. Yeah, the one on the 5-pack is actually a darker colour than this single here. Not sure how well that will come up on camera. But yep, we can see there the 95. Going onto the side now. Yeah, the Thailand one from the 5-pack, which is the one on the bottom, is actually a lot darker. It's very hard to show on camera, but it is actually there. Let's look at the full Doc Hudson now. That is pretty much the same. Windows as well. And the base, U12A, T41A, both still have the base holes, as I've already said. But yeah, that is Lightning McQueen. Now going over to Saldos Amigos Ramon, which we can see here. The one on the left, again, is from the multi-pack. There is really no many differences. Yeah, I can't see any differences, to be honest with you guys. Just taking a close look at them far apart. You see the back here, we've got the Italian flag, which is still incorrect. Should be the Mexican flag. See the back there. I'm looking at them, and actually, this one is a variant. Yeah, this one is 100% a variant. So you can see on the single release from 2021, you can see this one has blue bits on the back here, whereas this one, the bits are completely dark blue. So yeah, this one is actually a variation. So for you variant collectors out there, I would highly advise you getting the 5-pack, because then you also get a Thailand variant of Ramon, which you probably didn't have. And great, I'm gonna have to display this one now, aren't I? The hood on the front is the same. It looks the same. Sorry if this video is longer than usual. I just want to try and get all the differences so you guys, like, my job is to review these packs for you, and I want to see if it's worth getting them. So yeah, Sarge, I did actually take a close look at Sarge off camera before this review. As we can see here, the front, the eyes are actually a little bit more blurrier on the multi-pack release, as we can see here. But when we go over to the side, the logo here is a lot darker on this version compared to this version. You can still see all the dots all around in the same places. The spare wheel on the back as well in the same. Got darker green. It's probably not really a variant, but the bit on the side is a lot darker on this one compared to this one. So yeah, I would say 3 out of 5 cars that are variants is actually not bad for your money, especially if you're paying only like, what, 20 British pounds? Well, I paid £30, but if you want to get it, you know, later on, it'll probably be 25, and if you're in Walmart, it will probably only cost about $20 plus tax. Yeah, this is the end of today's video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. We're nearing 20,000 subscribers now. This video is going up on Sunday. Yeah, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, peace everybody, and don't forget to let me know what you think on the Sally update as well.